Good morning, dear students. Here I will be discussing question number 19 of exercise A of ratio and proportion chapter. Now, question number 19 says that find the value of, question number 19 says find A is to B is to C when we have A is to B equal to 4 is to 7 given and B is to C is also given, this is equal to 5 is to 3. We have to find the ratio of A is to B is to C provided these two things are given. When these two things are given, how we will find? So our first task will be, first you write A by B is equal to 4 by 7. Then here you write B by C is equal to 5 by 3. Now since B is the third position, is in the middle, so what we can do, simply we have to make B equal. Here also we have B, here also we have B. If we are able to make this B equal, same number, then it will be very easy to write A is to B is to C. Now for that what we have to do? We have to multiply the 5. Here we are having B is equal to 5, so multiply 5 here and 5. Here we are having B is equal to 7, so you multiply 7, 7. Now you got A by B is equal to 5 4s are 20, this is 35, and then B by C is equal to 7 5s are 35, 7 3s are 21. Now very simply you will write A is to B is to C is equal to, from here A is equal to 20, B is equal to 35. No need to repeat again B because already one time you have written, and then C will be equal to 21. This is your solution. In this way you can solve question number 1 of 19. Simply you have to write and then multiply the B with here, and the same B you have to multiply here and there to make it equivalent. Now second part, in this only it is given A is to B is to C, you have to find. Okay, provided they have given A is to B is equal to 7 whole 1 by 2 is to 5. That means 7 to the 14, 15 by 2 is to 5, and B is to C is equal to 1 whole 1 by 4 is to 3. So this means 5 by 4 is to 3. Now same thing you will write A by B, solution will be A by B is equal to 15 by 2 by 5 is to 5, means it will come in denominator. Then what you have to do, B is to C is equal to 5 by 4 is to 3, means 3 will come here, correct? Now this is equal to 15, or you say 5 on the 5, 5 3s are 15, it is 3 by 2, and here B by C is equal to 5 by 12. Now again see, same thing, same procedure. Here B is here, B is also here. So what you have to do, whatever B is here you have to multiply there, into 2 into 2. Whatever B was here, it was 5, so multiply here 5 5. Now you got A by B is equal to 15 is to 10, and B by C is equal to 10 is to 24. So here A is to B is to C will be equal to 15 is to 10 is to, one time no need of repeating B again, then 24. This will be your answer. I hope it is clear, my dear students. Once again you can see I have marked with a brown arrow so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now question number 22 we will see. Question number 22 says that we have to divide 6600 between A, B and C such that A has twice as much as B and B has half as much as C. So we have to divide 66, this is 22 number, 6600 in a ratio ABC. A is to B is to C. A is having how much? Statement says A has twice as much as B, and second statement B has half as much as C. Now we have to divide in these three ratios, A is to B is to C. So what we can do for this statement, can we write A upon B is equal to, A is having twice as much as B. If B is having 1 rupee, then he is having 2 rupees. A is having twice as much as B. So A is to B is equal to 2 is to 1. Now second statement says that B is to C, B and C we are having. B is having half as much as C is having. If C is having 1, so it will be having 1 by 2, because B is having half as much as C. So earlier B was having rupees 1, so he was having twice, so it was 2. B is having half of C, C is having 1, so he is having 1 by 2. So this will be equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to divide into three ratios. I have told you the solution begins from here only. Now you can write A by B is equal to 2 by 1, then space, B by C is equal to 1 by 2. B is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, here same. So we have to divide. Already no need to multiply here with 1 and 1. So the ratio will be A is to B is to C is equal to 2 is to 1 is to 2. Now in this ratio we have to divide this particular money, this sum. So what we will do here, we will write A's part will be equal to, I have told you, A by A plus B into quantity. So here A part is 2, sum of the ratios 2 plus 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 6600. So this will be equal to 2 by 5, 6600. Calculate, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are 10. I think it is clear. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 15 1 here, 5 twos are 10, 0. Okay. Then 13 to 4, this much. B's part is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 6600. 1 by 5 into 6600. This will be equal to 3200. Now C's part, again 2 by 5, that means 2